So as y'all might remember, I filmed that 2017 Nordyne unit that was running pretty badly, that it was frozen up. And that thing got replaced with a new TGM. 4 blades. It's pretty cool actually. It's got a rotary compressor down there. Never seen this unit before. I thought this was like an Amerstar based unit, but I guess that isn't operated by anything else but this TGM. This is a 2-ton. And there's a serial number. I think it's from 2022. R410A 14 seer. I don't think that was running. Yeah, it's a straight cool unit. I've never heard of this brand before. I guess it's new. I replaced the old Nordyne. Well, newer Nordyne actually, but pretty bad. But yeah, I hope this unit lasts longer than that Nordyne unit. Thank you guys for watching.